Every piece of clothing begins its journey in a field, not a factory. It starts with cotton, one of the most widely used natural fibers in the world. Under warm sunlight, cotton plants grow and produce soft, white fibers known as cotton bolls. When the cotton is ready, harvesting machines move through the fields, carefully collecting the fluffy fiber from each plant. The harvested cotton is then transported to a cotton gin facility. Here, powerful machines separate the cotton fibers from the seeds. What remains is clean, soft cotton ready for processing. Next comes spinning. The cotton fibers are stretched, aligned, and twisted together to form strong, continuous threads known as yarn. Large automated spinning frames produce thousands of meters of yarn every hour. These yarns are then wound onto cones and prepared for fabric production. In weaving factories, yarns are interlaced on high-speed looms. Vertical threads, called warp, are crossed with horizontal threads, known as weft. Thread by thread, fabric begins to take shape. For softer, stretchable garments like t-shirts, knitting machines loop the yarn into flexible fabric structures. Once the fabric is formed, it moves to the dyeing and finishing stage. Large industrial dyeing machines add color and treatments to enhance softness, durability, and texture. The fabric is washed, dried, and carefully inspected. Next comes precision cutting. Computer-controlled machines cut multiple layers of fabric into exact patterns for shirts, pants, or dresses. In the sewing department, skilled workers and automated stitching machines assemble the pieces together. Seams are stitched, collars attached, sleeves joined, transforming flat fabric into wearable clothing. Each garment is then inspected for quality, pressed with steam irons, and fitted with labels and tags. Finally, the finished clothes are folded, packaged, and shipped to stores around the world. From cotton field to clothing rack, every step combines agriculture, engineering, and craftsmanship. A simple shirt may look ordinary, but behind it lies a remarkable journey of transformation.